2, 3, Trojans! Go! So run that at the correct depth. Don't take it any further. Just 5 yards, right?
I expect it to go a lot better than last year. We didn't quite go to the finals last year and everything, so our goal is to get to the finals.
0615, 0615. 1601, 1601.
Momentum's a big thing in the game. It can go both ways. A fumble can obviously give the other team like a lot of momentum. That can be really bad in games.
What he's flagging us for? He touched it when he spun.
Just dumb turnovers, fumbles, drop balls, all that bad stuff. Got to limit those. Improve on offense. Go to the finals. That's obviously the biggest one. End goal, right?
This right here has to be better. Think about it. He's ready to go on Monday. Bring it in. Hey, bring it in, boys. Going on 3. 1, 2, 3, Trojans.